My name is Adam. You're watching the Open Bionics channel. On this channel, I talk about prosthetics from a technical and practical point of view, how they are built, how they work, and what their real limitations are. One of the most common questions is why prosthetic devices are so expensive. In this video, I'll break down, step by step, what actually goes into the cost of a prosthesis and why that cost has very little to do with how the device looks on the outside. A prosthetic device can cost anywhere from $20,000 to $80,000, and sometimes even more. From the outside, a prosthesis looks simple: carbon fiber, metal, plastic. Nothing that visually explains such a high price. Because of that, the cost often feels exaggerated. But a prosthesis is not an accessory and not just an object. It's an engineering system that has to carry body weight every day, operate in constant motion, and interact directly with living tissue. There's no margin for error. Discomfort turns into pain. A technical failure turns into injury. Prosthetic devices do not use ordinary materials. The carbon fiber used here is medical or aerospace grade. It's designed to withstand millions of load cycles, steps, turns, acceleration, sudden stops. Metal components are typically made from titanium or specialized aluminum alloys. They resist corrosion, handle long-term fatigue, and are safe for permanent contact with the human body. The socket liner is one of the most critical parts. Its silicone must be soft, but also durable, able to maintain shape, avoid skin irritation, and distribute pressure evenly. A failure here is not a minor defect. It's a direct risk to the user. A prosthesis is not designed as a standalone product. It's designed as an extension of human biomechanics.
We have this principle of failing fast, meaning that every idea is a good idea, and then we test and test and test until we refine to a solution that we actually want to continue to develop.
We do include what we call super users. Those super users are very important during development because they are kind of continuously using our product and giving us feedback throughout development.
Prosthetics is a niche field. This is not mass manufacturing. Each model is designed for a specific type of amputation and a specific range of loads. Production volumes are low, and there is no large-scale economy to significantly reduce unit cost. That alone makes every device more expensive by default. Even the most advanced prosthesis is useless without precise customization. The socket is always made individually. Residual limb shape, skin condition, sensitivity, pressure tolerance, all of these vary from person to person. Prosthetic fitting is manual, high-precision work. An error of just a few millimeters can cause pain, inflammation, or complete rejection of the device. There is no such thing as a standard residual limb. A prosthesis is not a one-time purchase. The human body changes over time: weight, muscle tone, limb volume. Components wear out. Alignment and fit require regular adjustments. A prosthesis is a system that evolves with the user, not a static object. When you put all of this together, the high cost stops being mysterious. It has little to do with appearance and very little to do with branding. It has everything to do with the fact that a prosthesis operates at the intersection of engineering and human biology. A prosthesis doesn't replace a lost limb. It helps the body function under new conditions, and it has to do that safely, every day, for years. The real question isn't why prosthetic devices are expensive, but how technologies like these can be made accessible to the people who depend on them.